Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying my videos of Canva graphic designing course. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create a Twitter post in Canva and start selling this service online and for your personal use. So let's get started. First of all, we will go to fiverr.com and check that there is a demand for this skill or not. So I am going to fiverr.com. If you don't know about fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platform in the world where people sell their services and earn money. So I am going to fiverr.com. Here I search Twitter post. So as you can see, there are 372 services available. That's good. So it is basically included in social media posts like it starts from $20, from $10. There are many orders. So 191, 35 orders, 10 orders, 11 orders, 8 orders, 5 orders, 6 orders, and this is just a matter of 3 to 4 minutes. So there are only 372 freelancers which are providing this service, so you can easily break down the competition and rank on the first page. So this is the Fiverr part. I hope it is clear that this is a very demanding skill and new skill, so you can earn money through it. So that's it for our Fiverr part, or you can say our freelancing platform part. So let's get towards Canva and start learning the skill. So I am going to canvahome.com, and after that I write in the search bar Twitter post. I click on this, wait for a second, it is loading. That's great. Create a blank Twitter post. It is loading. It depends on the internet speed, so please bear with me. Yeah, it is loaded. So I am going to make an event post. So I click on event, and after that business event, I just have to customize the template, and that's it. Online webinar, that's good. So first of all, I would like to change the image. So I write here tech model. That's it. So I am just customizing the template. I would like to change the color into black and register now color into white. It's look good. After that I want to change the color into change the website name into marketing.com, and also change the background color into black and this into yellow. It's look good. After that you can also change the calendar, this or other thing. I just want to show you how you can customize the template. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn the skill and start earning online. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.